Shoebill are the most serious bird on Earth. If birds had a mafia boss, this would be him. Meet the Shoebill, the bird with the scariest stare in the animal kingdom. He can stand still for hours. No blinking, no flinching. Just pure intimidation. That giant beak looks like a shoe. Works like a snap trap. He eats fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles. He lives in the swamps of East Africa. Moves slow. Strikes fast. Don't let the grumpy face fool you. The Shoebill is a living legend. Calm. Deadly. Iconic.